Hi Keith, this is Brittany. I promised to give you a video of some tips that you can do yourself on how to optimize your website and as well how to get more customers. So I'm going to go over 3 things today about your website: content, backlinks, and citations. So first, I'm going to go over the content on your homepage. Right now I'm looking for the number of words that you have here, and there's about 100 words or so on your homepage, so not a whole lot. We do recommend 1,500 to 2,000 words depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product, and in your content you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So for example, a good one that you have right here is flooring services in Atlanta. This is a location and service specific keyword someone might type into Google looking for flooring services in Atlanta. So just as an example, I chose another one of your services, flooring installation, and I went ahead and had a Google search here, floor installation, Atlanta, Georgia. And what we see here, the first thing that pops up are these Google Guarantee Local ads. And these ads are really great for some businesses when they have a really good conversion rate and a high click rate. So if you want more customers, this is one of the good options. The conversion rate here is about 30 to 40%. Looking below this, we have our Google ads here, and these are on the top and also the bottom of the pages here for the Google search results. And these have a 5 to 10% click rate that customers might choose for their service. And below that, we have a Google Map Pack, and customers will choose one of these businesses here in the top 3 spots about 30% of the time. And below that, we have the organic search results. Now, I was looking for a local company, and these local directories came up, but that's totally normal, like how is an Angie's List. We're not going to worry about that, but your first competition that comes up is David's Hardwood Flooring for this keyword, floor installation, Atlanta, Georgia. So I went ahead and brought up their website here, and I was also looking at their content, the number of words that they have on their homepage, and they probably have roughly around 250 words, maybe a little bit more, maybe 350 words on their homepage. Now I also noticed that they have also gone into their photos here, and they have also saved their photos with some location and service-specific keywords. So for example, Hardwood Floor Installation Services, Atlanta. So you definitely want to optimize your images as well on your homepage and your other pages. Alright, so we have gone over and covered content. Second thing that I would like us to go over is backlinks, and I want to show you what your competition is doing. So here I have up a page program Eris that I use to research websites, and I put in your competition in here, and I also put you guys in here to evaluate how you guys are doing. So first I want to go over these 2 ratings here. There's a DR rating and a UR rating. The DR rating is essentially a power rating by Google, and the UR rating is essentially a trust rating by Google. And both of these things are raised by backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another, and these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's like a popularity contest, essentially. So we see here they have 191 referring domains that are giving them 1.51k backlinks. So 1,500 backlinks is how many they have. It looks like they have some pretty good quality backlinks because their DR rating is really good as well as their UR rating. You definitely want these 2 ratings to be pretty equal, and to do that, we recommend having not only just a good amount of backlinks, but also good quality. Quality is super important because links are not created equal, so the best links to have are those that are relevant to your industry and that are local websites. Those are going to be the best links that you can have that can raise your ratings here. So looking at you guys, I pulled you guys up here as well. You have a good number of backlinks too. You have 82 referring domains that are bringing you 1.18k, so about 1,200 backlinks here. However, your DR rating is pretty low here, so your power rating is pretty low. Your UR rating is pretty good. But what you want to do, again, is get some more quality backlinks here, which is probably why your DR rating is not as high as it could be. So you definitely would want to not only match your competition server backlinks, but also, more importantly, have those good quality backlinks. Alright, so we've gone over content and backlinks. Last thing I want to go over is citations. So a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google Business profile. And citations help you rank in the map pack that I showed you right here on our search result. And this is really important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. And citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, there's hundreds of others. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you rank above them. So with that being said, I also researched a keyword for installation in Cumming, Georgia, and you guys actually showed up first, so you guys are ranking, or you guys do have some good amount of citations. You have 82, and your competition, David's Hardwood Flooring, has 191. So I definitely would also raise that as well, so you guys can also keep that spot for Cumming, Georgia, but also start ranking for Atlanta, possibly. Alright, so we have gone over 3 things. We've gone over content, backlinks, and citations. And last thing I wanted to also mention is they are getting, your competition, David's Hardwood Flooring, they're getting a good amount of traffic, good quality traffic here at 452. And they're also ranking for a lot of keywords, and I went in here and I was looking, and they also are ranking for not only some good local keywords, but also service and location-specific keywords, which you definitely want to rank for. When I was looking at your keywords, you guys are ranking for 2, on position 4, in the Google search results for 2 of your services for installation in Cumming, Georgia. And with your traffic, you're getting 18 organic traffic here, which isn't too bad, but you definitely want to have more traffic so that can convert to more leads for you guys and more exposure so you guys can get some more revenue. Alright, so we've gone over those 3 things. We've gone over content, citations, and backlinks. And I just wanted to show you this to provide you some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. If it's not impossible, I'd love some feedback from you. Just want to know if this was helpful. And I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks so much.